Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Amboy Tech. Today we will unbox this one. We call the Nike Calm Mule. So let's check the box. This box, nice, very good. So they managed to remove this cupboard with the check one Nike logo. So you can see empty one inside. Let's do unbox. This one is with the insides have a check. You see on the right side sandals. So this is also a unisex. Let's see this one. So, very nice. So this is like relax and recovery sandals. If you want to buy recovery sandals, it's very recommended. This one inside everything. Let's see. Okay, design in Oregon and then made in Indonesia. Okay, so very comfortable this shoes. I try before I buy it. This one so far, this have a strap. You can see. Very good. Very nice. So comfortable. Highly recommended for this one. So I buy this one in 40% discount in the regular price. So thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe for more unbox. Thank you. Bye.